straight into the video and let's start with the content. What I'm gonna tell you today is gonna be maybe a holy grail for you, or what do you call a great strategy which you cannot find anywhere else because no one showed you this. I am in this industry. Let me introduce myself first. I am in this industry for last 10 years, for last decade, but I was not um, on social media. I was not sharing my thoughts anywhere. I was just focusing on trades. I was just trading, and that's all for last 10 years. That's what I've been doing. And now I finally decided to share my strategy with you guys so you guys can be profitable as well. I'm sorry if I have said something in English because English is not my mother language. Uh, I I try to say uh, what I can teach you guys. Like I hope you understand what I'm saying, right? But when I'm not able to say it clearly, please tell me in the comments or reach out to me on my email or on my Telegram. I will share my link of Telegram down in the description. You can find it in the description, okay? I will attach it there and you can leave some comments if you don't understand. Okay, so I will straight away start with the strategy without doing any bullshit. Uh, I can introduce myself later. Okay, so this is the strategy with one indicator. Yeah, and that indicator makes your life so much easier. You don't need to guess. You don't need to wait for hours for your strategy to play out. Okay, I'm gonna be straight diving into the strategy now. So this strategy contains one indicator. The indicator name is TDI. You can search it in the trading view interface. Go in the indicator section, search TDI, and this is the indicator. I already have this indicator applied, so that's why I'm not going to click on here. But as you can see, this is one of my favorite indicators. So you just apply for the indicator, and something like this will pop up on your screen. Okay, and once it's pop up on the screen, can you see these points? Let me just zoom it, zoom it, zoom in for you guys. I'm sorry for my bad English, to be honest. I'm just gonna show you something which you have never heard anywhere. This is the strategy which I've been trading for the last 10 years, and I am currently profitable trader. I'm not joking around, just like other YouTubers. Okay, so these points you can see. This is kind of a Bollinger Band, but I don't call it Bollinger Band. It's just uh, over how do you say? It's these are the limit bands where the price, if the price goes out, it means it is ready to come back in. So same goes here in the bottom. If the price goes out, it's ready to go back in this band. Okay, so I call uh, these points sniper points. These sniper points, and you can find these points on any time frame on TradingView. Okay, this is the only indicator which I use for last almost a decade. Yeah, almost a decade, and I stick with it. I didn't go with another strategy or something, and I mastered this already. These points are sniper points where you can snipe the markets. I'm gonna show you a example on 1 minute time frame, but you can see this is a 4 hour time frame, 1 day time frame, 1 week time frame. You can go on any time frame and you can find these levels. Okay, what I want you to do is zoom in, and as you can see, currently the price is out of this band. See, it means it's ready to go in. The price is ready to pull back. So what I want you to do is as you can see, you need to mark the candle lowest or highest point when the price goes out. You just need to mark the point here with the, what is this, horizontal ray, or use whatever tool you want, you know. You just need to mark this level, all right? And it's going down more. You don't need to enter the trade yet, okay? You just wait. You just wait for your entry, for the price to come back on this level, or maybe go out for the out of this level, so you can get back in with the sniper entry. I'll show you how. You mark this level and this candle also going down. Okay, so this is a good reversal sign for me and for you guys as well. Uh, I will try to teach you guys in depth, but if you guys don't understand anything, you can still reach out to me. I will leave the my Instagram handle and my Telegram handle in the description. You can find it out and see. You need to mark these points. This is a reversal point as well. So once you mark these points, all right, the price try to get back into the band, but to be honest, this is just a fake out. So what we need to do is we need to wait for the price to go back up, okay, and then price will try to go back down as well. Again, it will try to show that it's continuing in the downward trend. Sorry for my English. I tell you again, this is my very first video. If I made any mistakes, apologize. Okay, so the price will go down again, and once it's started to go down, it means it's ready to pull back in, go back inside this band again. Okay, let's just let this price play out. Okay, and then I'll show you. This is a live market currently right now, so that's why we have to wait a little bit. Okay, what about this? I'll show you the example. Okay, here where it already happened. This one. Okay, as you can see, I'm gonna mark these levels, these price, these this price goes out of this band. I'm gonna mark these levels, these candles, all right? And as you can see in the future, price goes down in the band, and then once the price goes in the band, you don't need to look for this indicator. You just need to look in the chart. This is a sniper level, as you can see. You can mark this with the rectangle or something. As you can see, you need to wait for the price to play out. Okay, you don't enter until you get a confirmation, and this is your confirmation. If the price comes back in one of these levels, you short again. Okay, so this is your sniper entry. I hope I am clear, or no. If you're not able to understand, you can reach out to me. I can give you example again, or I will try to make a new YouTube video again. Okay, and you put your stop loss just a few pips, like or you can put it here as well, but you don't need to because it's a very uh, how do you say, less risk trade. And as you can see, you can target one of these levels. Okay, this is a sniper entry with those level. I can show you here. Remember, I marked this level with my indicator with these are the sniper levels, and when the price came back in, okay, it reacted and goes straight and down and hit my targets. That's it. And you can do the same with the bias as well. Let me find the bias trade. I guess this one. Yeah, it's here. It's a 1 minute time frame. I'm just showing you for the example, okay? But let me see if it's playing out. Oh yeah, it's playing out. So see, we already marked these levels. Okay, let me show you the buy example first. Okay, see, this is a sniper level. See, the price goes out and you check it with your cursor. Which candle it is? This one. This is the candle. Okay, this is the candle, and when it it goes back up in the band, and once you mark this level, you don't need to see the indicator. You just need to wait. You just need to wait for the price to come back in this level, and then sometime it do some little bit liquidity grab and like fake out and stuff. But as long as you trade with this strategy, you will figure it out if this is a fake out or real move. Okay. So once the price come back in, you straight away hit buys. Okay, you straight away hit buys and make your stop loss. Your stop loss totally depends on how much profit do you want. If you want one 1 to 2, then you can adjust your stop loss like a little bit further, like 3, almost like how much? How many pips is this? It's 30 pips, I think. And your target is going to be 75 pips. If your target is big, just make sure your stop loss is a little bit bigger as well. Just just in case if this plays out, like just in case if this do any fake outs and stuff. And this is the time after London session. Okay, as you can see down here, the time it's after London session. Okay, because in London session there's going to be a lot of fake outs like this. Sometimes it don't do fake out, it goes straight hitting your targets. Okay, so what I'm telling you is very powerful. As you can see, can you see this candle right now? Can you see this? And I'm not joking around, this is a live market. Can you see that? These are the sniper points, as you can see here. See, I told you. This is the point where I marked this level. The price goes back into these levels and straight away goes back in. Look how fast you can achieve your targets. And I am not joking around. This is real strategy. If you saw this video, like 13 minutes already and 14 minutes, if you stick with this video, okay, this is my very first video. I will try to make another videos as fast as possible because I know people don't have time to watch all this YouTube bullshit. I'm not gonna say bullshit, but a lot of people just on the YouTube just share their strategies. They don't do profits and shit. As you can see, this is a live market. The market is live. You can see here the candle is moving. Today is 8th of June 2026. Okay, and you can always choose your targets to the recent highs or lows. Okay, so see I marked these levels. If you are not sure about this trade, then what you can do is you can wait for this price to go back again in this level, and once the price touch this level, it will try to do some fake out or shit. You need to be ready for that. If you want to enter early, you can enter early with the little bit bigger stop loss, but if you want to be sure, then you just wait until the price hit this level. Okay, this horizontal ray, this is a sniper point, and then, sorry, this is the wrong tool, long trade, and then you wait for your target to be hit, which is going to be this high. But it already touched this high, so I don't think it will stop on this high. I will target this high. Okay, if the price will come back you know where to enter, and you know it will start playing like, fake out and shit, and you don't guess. You just wait. Isn't it amazing? Oh, and one more thing. Look at this, guys. The prize is ready to come back in. How do we know? Because the prize is already out of the band. You can also mark this level. And you will stay ahead of 90% people. And I'm not joking, guys. This is a holy grail. This is a holy grail for me. It could be for you if you follow what I said. Okay? I just marked these levels. Okay, let it play out. Let the price come back in this band. And once it come back in this band, then you can mark the candle, and then you wait for the price to come back in these levels. It will play out a little bit and then go back in. And same goes here on the other side. Okay, so these are the sniper levels. This is how you snipe markets. And this is my very new video. So please support me. I will show you the live examples. Maybe I will do some live trading as well, so you guys know what I'm saying. You know, you also lose some time. I'm not gonna say you will not gonna lose just like other traders. They only show you their wins and stuff. Some of them are good. I see they show their losses as well, but they are not totally honest with you how much strategy worked for them and works, maybe worked for you, worked for not. But if you don't understand anything, you can contact me through email, on my Instagram, on my Telegram as well. Okay, I can show you the strategy. I'm not charging you anything, no money at all, because I'm already making money with trading. I'm just here to share my knowledge. That's all. If you want to know anything else, if you don't understand any part, you can reach out to me. I can teach you. Perfect. And please, if you learn anything, if you want to follow this strategy, you can follow this strategy. You can uh, get the guidance from me. Okay. And yeah, I will reach back to you and I will tell you how to uh, learn this strategy or do this strategy or how to trade with this strategy. And pardon my English, okay? English is not my mother language, but I try to make videos in English so a lot of people can reach out uh, to this video and learn something practical and how it works. You don't need to do ICT, SMT, all this bullshit. That's all to make you, distract from the real guidance, real thing. One indicator is enough. I know it's lagging, but it gives you the sniper points, which a lot of people cannot even find in their trading. You can see price is reaching back to this level, right? And I am ready to short the markets until here, until this level. Or first target would be this level. Okay, so that's it for today. See you guys in the next video and reach out to me if you don't understand anything. Thank you guys, and do follow and like and subscribe because I'm new to YouTube channel. I need your support, guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. I'll see you in the new video. Bye bye.